Alright, this was my birthday present from my wife. It is a Popoman Impact Wrench. If you remember, she got me the Impact Driver for Christmas, so I'm anxious to test this out. The battery is already charged, ready to go, as you see. I like the small size. It should fit into places that I couldn't fit in my corded impact wrench, and more convenient to use than my air impact wrench, which I think the air one is even bigger than this too. Just to give you a size comparison. Now this one is rated like 400 or 500 foot-pounds of torque. It would not remove the lug nuts off of the Chevy truck that you saw me doing, and those are torqued at 140. So I'm guessing this thing puts out about 80 or 90. Maybe eventually it'll hit about 110, 115. It will take the lug nuts off of the Crown Vic, which I typically torque to about 98, and it will eventually take off the ones off of the Charger, which are at 110, but it struggles to do that. So that's what we're going to test this on. It's the Charger lug nuts. They're at 110, and we'll see what it does. There's the driver that I got for Christmas. One real nice thing about the Popoman stuff is all the batteries are interchangeable. So this is obviously the bigger, more powerful, longer lasting battery. This is the 2 amp hour battery, which has been perfect for this. In fact, it's May, so I've been using this almost half a year and I have not had to recharge it yet. In addition to the nice carrying case and the charger, which, like I said, all the Popoman chargers are interchangeable. So if you buy 2 or more Popoman tools, you have chargers at every location you want to be at. And then it comes with some deep sockets. There's a 17 millimeter, 19 millimeter, and a 21. So the 21 definitely works on the Charger tires. Popoman in action. That quick. And I'll put them on at about 80 or 90% and then torque them with the torque wrench. But watch this. Popoman to the rescue. This is my new favorite brand of tool.